What's up, YouTube? Today we have a under $10 fountain from TNT called the Bottle of Sparks. Now this is only under 10 bucks. It used to be that you paid almost $30 to get two of these, which is insane, insane, insane. They are getting rid of this, so they kind of put a clearance price on it for $8.70. So I decided now is as good of a time as ever to try it out. Got some performance pictures, and it says red rains, red, green, and blue with silver crackles. So, like I've always said, those performance things really don't help you out much. But let's go ahead and light this. And it's a good one. This looks kind of cool. It's a little unique little fountain. So, let's go light it up. Bottle of Sparks. Good height. It's still going. It looks like it's still burning.